Driving the new Beetle with the power convertible top down is very exhilarating. To activate, park the vehicle and engage the parking brake. Turn on the ignition. Press this button and slowly turn the handle to the left until it stops. Push up slightly and turn back to the right and situate the handle in place. Pull the control button in the center console up to open the top and it will fold up. Wait for the chime and for the indicator light in the windshield frame to go off. To close, push the same control button down and the top will rest against the windshield frame. Press the release button, pull the handle until it is tight against the windshield edge. Turn the handle to the right and set it in place. If you have a manual top, the handle operates the same way, but raising and lowering the top is so easy it hardly needs explanation. But if you'd like more direction, refer to your owner's manual. A windscreen that sits in the rear seat can reduce cabin turbulence and can remain in place with the top up. Consult your owner's manual for installation instructions. Flip the screen up to enjoy the quiet and the thrill of driving with the top down.